Hi everyone, welcome to WW Designs. It's Nikki here, and I am very excited that May is just around the corner. I love playing along for Mermay. The ocean is my happy place, so for the month of May, I absolutely love filling my journal with ocean-themed deco. Here's an example of one of the pages I did last year. There's another one. Oh, and a little bit of collaging, and another one. And this was for 52 weeks of me, so it sort of doesn't quite go with the theme. And another one. I love not having to worry about, oh, what theme, what am I doing? I just do everything oceany. Now, this May is also even more exciting for me because I am going on a cruise, so I can guarantee you I am playing along for Mermay this year. And I needed some more mermaid tales to put into my journal, because what I do when I go away, I am not going to create a separate travel journal for my cruise. When I went to Bali last year, I created a very pretty little tropical journal. Didn't get a lot of journaling done while I was away. I was too busy sipping cocktails, staring at the ocean. And I ended up doing all my journaling in my main journal. So I'm going to do exactly the same thing, because otherwise I found I was replicating things. I like my daily journal to be full of what I get up to during the day. And so I am just going to be adding all my cruise things into my main journal. So I needed lots of mermaid supplies for this trip. So I created this little sheet, and I have put this one up on my Ko-fi page as a freebie. So if you would like some mermaid inspired things, you are more than welcome to go and grab this and print it out. And if this is, I know a lot of people probably following this channel really love all the vintagey stuff, because junk journaling tends to lean towards people that love that. I want to show you a little kit I made a couple of years ago. Now, this, of course, is a more modern style page, but if you like things a little bit more vintage style, or you like making journals about the beach or the ocean, this little kit I made 2 years ago. Didn't really get to use it last year because my printer and I were not on speaking terms. It had a little bit of a nervous breakdown and I couldn't really print anything. I have since purchased a new one and thrown the other one out. But this little kit has all sorts of fun bits in it. So if you want to play along for Mermay but sort of don't have much to play with, then maybe this kit is for you. So what I've done, I've also put this kit on my Ko-fi page. It's only $2, so it's nice and cheap. That way, if you want to play along for Mermay, you are more than welcome to use this kit, and it'll only cost you $2. And honestly, you will have more than enough goodies here to create some really interesting pages in your journal. Or if you're making a junk journal, you might like to use some of these things for that. So there we go. I am ready for Mermay. I am very excited. I can't wait for my cruise. And just in case you want to play along, I have some great goodies for you. So I hope you enjoy them. And until next time, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye for now.